So I'll be showing you how to change the date and time on your Samsung Smart TV. So simply go to settings. On the quick settings, I'll look for all settings. On the all settings window, scroll down to general and privacy, select that, and then go to system manager, select that, and then select time. Then go ahead and select clock. And normally the clock is set to auto. So you can see clock mode is set to auto, which means your TV picks the date and time automatically from the internet. And so to be able to change the date and time manually, then you have to turn off clock mode, or rather turn off auto and set it to manual. So just change the clock mode to manual, and then now you'll be able to change the date and the time. So you can scroll up and down after you select something, the month, change it up, and also the year, you can change it like that, and then press the selection button, and then you can also go to time and select the time you want. So that's hours, and then on the right you have minutes, like that, and then that's it. So now when I hit the back button, that will be my new date and time on my TV. Now for most people, you don't really need to do this. You just go ahead and go to clock mode and set it to automatic, and that's going to give you the default date and time depending on your time zone. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.